आजकल फंस रहता नहीं.
Oh, Sampath has just had a cardiac arrest after watching this.
Hi friends, today we are with the cast of Purani Jeans. So let's have a tete-a-tete with them as to what this film is all about.
Let's do it, man.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
We are here to tit-a-tat. Okay, come on. Great. So what do you want to know about the film?
Okay. So one common thing between all three of you. It's no one common thing is this is your second film for all
Yes,
of you.
yes. Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So what expectations do you have from this movie?
We have pretty good expectations from the film because we are very happy with the way the product has shaped up. It's an honest film. It's a film with a lot of heart. I do not believe in the concept that there is a big film or a small film. It depends on how much of honesty a film has. And at the end of the day, the film deals with a lot of relationships. It deals with a lot of problems that kids these days have growing up and all. You know, you reach that one crossroads of your life when you're perhaps in your early 20s and you, okay, like now where? And the decisions that you take and the decisions that you make have a very long winding effect on the rest of your life. So I think this deals with that. It's all about growing up.
Absolutely. And this is your second film on teenage problems again.
Yes.
Okay. So how different will this be from your 16?
Actually, in 16 we are showing like teenager problems, and Purani Jeans no, we do show, but it's more about friendship, you know. In Purani Jeans you could, or in 16 you could find problems in all the characters in the movie. In Purani Jeans it's different. It's another kind of problems. It's not the same actually.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I think we have done a really good job. I'm really excited for the movie because I think we have done it really well. I mean, the way we did the movie to show on screen, it's a really well done movie. And yes, and it's different from 16.
Also, I think the most important thing is 16 dealt with a lot of teenage problems, urban in cities. Whereas Purani Jeans, most of it takes place in like a small town of Kasauli. So I think
it's really different. One movie from
exactly.
another. It's,
So
yeah.
good choice, yeah. Doing this film after that, you know. Good.
Now she was abroad then, you know.
Very
Big town, small town.
Next film we'll send her to space only, yaar.
Gravity.
And where have you been after Ek Choti Si Love Story?
Well, I have been too lost in my studies because after एक छोटी सी लव स्टोरी मेरे डैड ने कहा कीन लेके आए, बोला कि पहले पढ़ाई खत्म करो, गंदी गंदी हरकत करके आ गए एक छोटी सी लव स्टोरी में, पढ़ाई खत्म करो, concentrate in your books, and then we'll do a buddy सी love story, and then the conscious decision कि पहले पढ़ाई खत्म करेंगे, and then we'll take a good plunge into Bollywood. I hope the plunge I've taken is a very good one. So let's see where it takes us. And expectation की आपने बात की थी ना, उसने कुछ टैली बोला नहीं. See, I think 100 CR is far-fetched, but 80 crores it should be.
Yes.
That's absolutely wonderful. And it deals with a love triangle.
Yeah, you know, a lot of people are under the misconception that the moment you see two heroes and one heroine, it's just a love triangle. I won't deny the fact that there is a love triangle in the film, but there is a lot more. It's a lot more layered. In fact, I would take the liberty to say that where the love triangle ends is where the story continues. You know, so there's a lot more happening just apart from that. Yeah.
And which are your favorite songs of the movie?
I really love the soundtrack of the film, and I think Ram Sampath has done an absolutely impeccable job because it's not easy because it's in a lot of ways it's a period film, right? Since it's predominantly based in the 90s. So I think the pick of the lot would be Dil Aajkal. I think it recaptures the essence of the 90s, the days of Anand Milan and Nadeem Shravan and Sonu Nigam when he was just coming up and all very well. So I think Dil Aajkal would be my favorite song.
Yeah, because I saw all the vocals which are there, the songs which are there.
Absolutely, you know.
It has a plethora of so many singers.
You know, because you know you understand in today's times there are a lot of chart busters per se that come out and item songs and stuff like that, but they're like fast food. They're like T20, you know, like I mean they're here today, but after 2 months no one really cares to listen to them. I believe that the music of Purani Jeans is evergreen, and even 5 to 10 years from now you will still want to listen to a Yari Yari, a Dil Aajkal, a Beete Din, or Jin Meri Hai. Like, so yeah.
And what about the original song which was there, the Purani Jeans, which we used to hear?
Yeah, I'm a big fan of that song. I think Ali Haider Saab has done a wonderful job. But having said that, I think except for the title, I don't think the two films bear any resemblance at all. So yeah, it's just it's just a catchy title.
Yeah, but that song, it basically meant it took you, with the college life and how your friends are. I think that is one resemblance that we have in the movie and in the song, because even in the movie we talk a lot about our friendship and the kind of things that we have during our friendship. In the song, "Ladki Vadki Aati Hai," यहाँ पे भी "Ladki Vadki Aati Hai," the kind of issues that you have. So I think there's another resemblance over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe a scene which probably you can enact wherein the three of you
Yeah.
are probably fighting for this girl. I mean, the two of you for this girl.
No, we actually see. As I said, it's of course it's a very Bollywood film, but it's not atypical Bollywood film where like one hand is here and one hand is there and we're playing tug
I
of
meant
war.
by like say two-liners or a dialogue.
No, I believe that the dialogues are one of the strong points of the film, but I don't think it's about fighting for the girl. I mean, like I think when you love someone and they love you back, you don't need to fight for them. You need to fight the world.
But if you want to पूरे दोस्ती के उसूल तोड़े हैं
Yeah, but there is a dialogue that I have where he's very upset with me and he says,
दोस्ती के उसूल तोड़े हैं
ऐसे कि दोस्ती उसूलों से नहीं की जाती.
Why I said the dialogue? Because that can probably become a punchline for the film.
No, I think one of my favorite lines is in my older years is a line which is in the trailer. ऐसे कि वक्त के साथ साथ डायरी के पन्नों से स्याही तोड़ जाती है. मगर दिल पर लिखी उन यादों का क्या जो रोज को रेतती है. So that's one of my favorite lines.
And what about you?
Mine would be दोस्ती इन गिटार की स्ट्रिंग्स की तरह होती है एक बार ट्यूनिंग ठीक बैठ जाए तो हर एक तार इम्पोर्टेंट होता है So that's my favorite line.
Okay. Any one liner you would like to say?
I'm just trying to remember. What was that line I have said? Like,
Forget the past. Move on.
sometimes you should just forget the past and move on. That's a line that it connects a lot with the role that I'm playing in.
If you can just repeat that.
Planet
Yeah. I'm sorry, but नहीं वो थोड़ा सा.
It's okay, it's okay. Sometimes you should just forget the past and move on. I think you can relate this thing in a lot of ways. So, yeah.
And जाते जाते एक गाना हो जाए for the viewers.
Acha. Which one do you want to do?
We'll do the rap version.
Oh God,
One
no,
last time the
I'm-
rap version, yeah?
All right. So we.
Ended on a high.
Yeah.
No,
Great.
let's just
Okay,
sing,
we'll
please.
give you a Portuguese rap version of Dil Aajkal.
Okay.
Portuguese.
You guys don't even.
Yo, Isabella.
Isabella.
They don't even ask me if I want to do. Okay, I'm doing.
Team player, come on.
Okay. Okay, everybody.
Yo.
No.
शुरू करो.
Nossa, assim você me mata. Ai, se eu te pego. Ai, se eu te pego.
Yo,
Dila de cano, verisunta na ri. Dila de cano, passa reta na ri. E é tudo se ri, tu rahe.
ये तेरी ही करता है बातें
क्या तुम हो,
क्या तुम हो वही yo
क्या तुम हो.
हाँ तुम हो वही
वही.
Ram Sampath has just had a cardiac arrest after watching this. I'm really sorry. We love you and we will never do that. Even the audience again. Second away, guys. Purani Jeans. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
So friends, as you saw, this was the awesome star cast of Purani Jeans in Mumbai with cameraman Puneet Rawat. This is SKD signing off.
And I love his jacket.
Hi, my name is Isabelle Leite and you are watching me on Bollywood Now. Come and watch us on 2nd May.